I don't know if I'm the only one, but tap water just does not taste good anymore. I know that sounds bougie, but it doesn't. So come with me to get water. Oh, that looks really nice.
Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
A lot of deliveries this week, and the courier guy just called me to tell me that my delivery is here, but I don't even know which one it is. So let's go fetch my delivery outside.
Take me back once more, summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love, didn't care.
The reason why I bought another air fryer is because the other one isn't working anymore. When you turn it on, it makes silly noises. So I just think I'm gonna sell this one for like a way cheaper price, because selling things that don't work doesn't really get you enough money anyways. This is the one that doesn't work properly anymore. It still fairly looks new, man. I mean, I only used it for a year or so. So yeah, to have it die on me like this, it is not cute. But nonetheless, we need to keep it moving. I just want to quickly open up the air fryer just to check if everything is working properly before I get comfortable with it while it doesn't even work, because it's crazy.
Mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. Where did you go? Getting sprung. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun. Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Summer love.
I had to choose between two options, which was the white one and the black one. But because of my theme in the house, I went for the black one. So they had better delivered this exact one.
Summer love, didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, where did you go? Summer love, you have no idea what you did to me. Didn't care that we weren't meant to be. You were mine, I was yours. Take me back once more. Summer love, sweet joy. We're
bought it online, so I'll let you guys know whether I decide to keep it or not. Another delivery just arrived from Superbalist, and this is my birthday gift to myself. Since my birthday is only on the 20th of May, I'm not gonna open this, and it only has a 30-day return policy. So I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do on my birthday when I open this up and find that the order is wrong, because I won't even be able to send it back and all that. But besides that, I am happy with my purchase, and we'll get to unbox this on one of my birthday vlogs. After careful consideration, I decided to take back the air fryer because number one, it heats up. There's smoke coming out. The light inside switches on and off. What else? The air fryer overall just overheats, and the entire thing becomes super hot that you can't even hold it with your hands. So it is clear that it has a factory fault. I bought this air fryer at Macro, so we're gonna log a return and a refund, and I'm gonna go find an air fryer somewhere else because this is just not it. And it was so expensive for the amount of faults that it actually has, so I don't want them to exchange it. And another thing, whatever I ordered online and what I received isn't exactly what I want. I don't know, the one I ordered online did not have gold stuff. It didn't have cartoony images on it. Okay, you know what? Let's pack this up so they can come and collect it. High-key disappointed though. But anyway, we live and learn. Decided to go on a lunch date with a friend of mine, and hopefully it's just gonna take my mind off things because the Macro delivery just stressed me out, because now I'm not too sure where I'm gonna go start and look for an air fryer, and I need one as soon as possible because the other one is not working anymore. Being an adult, child.